because things are in the cloud, people can crawl across, like malicious people can crawl across like giant domain stretches and trying to find more than they normally would. So previously, we didn't have to access this stuff over the internet. We could just have an intranet. And if we had our own network, we didn't even have to go onto the internet. So we've increased our attack surface in some ways. Next slide, please. Cybercrime is on the rise. I'm sure you all know this. So in 2020, the cost of cybercrime was 6 trillion, and that was 1% of the entire world's GDP, so the gross domestic product. So basically 1 penny out of every dollar that you have and that every person on the planet has was stolen in 2020. And 2023, we're estimating it to be 8 trillion, which is absolutely outstandingly terrible. I don't like this stat. I really would prefer a nicer stat, but it's getting worse instead of better. Can we go next?